Top 30 frequently asked Java interview programs on strings. Question 1. How can you reverse a string in Java? Question 2. How can you count the number of vowels in a given string in Java? Question 3. How can you find the first non-repeated character in a given string in Java? Question 4. How can you check if a given string is a palindrome? Question 5. How can you count the number of words in a given string in Java? Question 6. How can you remove all white space from a given string in Java? Question 7. How can you find the longest and shortest word in a given string in Java? Question 8. How can you remove all duplicate characters from a given string in Java? Question 9. How can you check if two given strings are anagrams in Java? Question 10. How can you check if a given string contains only digits in Java? Question 11. How can you count the number of occurrences of a given substring in a string in Java? Question 12. How can you find the common prefix of two given strings in Java? Question 13. How can you find the common suffix of two given strings in Java? Question 14. How can you remove a specific character from a given string in Java? Question 15. How can you reverse a given string without using any inbuilt functions in Java? Question 16. How can you find the first non-repeated character in a given string in Java? Question 17. How can you find the frequency of each word in a given string in Java? Question 18. How to find all the permutations of the string? Question 19. How can you convert a given string to uppercase or lowercase in Java? Question 20. How can you check if a given string starts or ends with a specific substring in Java? Question 21. How can you find the most frequent character in a given string in Java? Question 22. How can you find the second most frequent character in a given string in Java? Question 23. How can you find the position of a specific word in a given string in Java? Question 24. How can you use the split method to split a given string into an array of substrings in Java? Question 25. How can you find the first and last occurrence of a specific character in a given string in Java? Question 26. How can you find the common elements in two given strings in Java? Question 27. How can you find the number of words in a given string in Java? Question 28. How can you find the index of the first non-repeated character in a given string in Java? Question 29. How can you find all the substrings of a given string in Java? Question 30. How can you use the replace method to replace a specific substring in a given string in Java? For code, output and detailed explanation, visit https://softwarebottle.com.